Welcome to Sunny Stocks. Before I start, please note, do not buy or sell shares based on the contents of my video. Please do your own research. Today, we will try to value Ugro Capital. Based on my research and analysis, it is a highly undervalued stock at current price. Let's try to understand. Ugro Capital is a non-banking financial company and they specialize in data-driven MSME financing. Basically, they provide business loans to small and medium-sized companies and they claim to be using data analytics and data models to lend profitably at scale. Now let's try to understand their business from an investment standpoint. The stock price of Ugro saw a decline in the last 1 year from the highs of 190s to lows of around 80s about 5 weeks ago. The major reason for underperformance was because of dilution in equity. Ugro diluted equity and raised funds to make acquisitions and to boost capital adequacy. With the new funds, they acquired an NBFC named Profectus Capital to accelerate growth, diversify its portfolio, and enhance profitability. Profectus added around 3,500 crore in AUM to Ugro's business. Earlier in 2024, Ugro acquired My Shubh Life to enter into tech-enabled embedded finance market. That is, lending through platforms like BharatPe, Paytm, MobiKwik, PhonePe and others. So with these two good acquisitions and adequate capital, Ugro to me appears to be on cusp of a big turnaround. And it was evident in the most recent quarterly results. The management said that their business is adequately capitalized and no more equity dilution is required till 2029. Also, management has now changed its focus and are expanding their loan against property and embedded finance vertical, and they decided to exit low-yielding DSA lending, which they call defocused portfolio now. And the management is targeting an ROA of around 3 to 3.5% by financial year 2029. With strong leadership backed by ace institutional investors like Impact Fund, which is investment arm of Denmark government, and other big PE names that hold significant share in Ugro, it appears that Ugro is ready to fly. This shift is very visible in the Q4 26 results, which are very encouraging, with PAT increasing 26% year-on-year to 51 crore and the net income rose by 51% to around 350 crores. The consolidated profit for latest year was around 175 crore and the consolidated AUM is over 15,000 crore as of 31st March 26. Assuming by FY29, the AUM would grow only marginally by 20% in the next 3 years. Because while they are growing the new verticals, they are simultaneously running down their legacy portfolio. So this modest growth would take the AUM to 18,000 crore by 2029. Add to that the continuous improvement in performance shown by the business, they can easily do a 3% ROA by end of 2029. With 18,000 crore AUM and 3% ROA, the company could be posting a profit of over 540 crore. For an NBFC making a profit of 540 crore at a median PE of 20, the valuation of Ugro would be 10,800 crore by the end of FY29. Currently, Ugro's market cap is around 1,700 crore, which means Ugro can grow by as much as 6 times over the next 4 years. My target price for Ugro is 660 by FY29. It is a multi-bagger stock. And over the next 1 year, my target price is 220. That was my analysis of Ugro Capital. Keep tracking the quarterly results and make sure business stays on track and do your own research. Thank you and bye-bye.